chapter of the mathematics, that is HCF and the LCM. So HCF means highest common factor and LCM means lowest common multiple. Especially we will discuss how to find the HCF with the different method. So before going to learn about the HCF, we should know how to find the factors of the given number. So let's see with some simple examples. So factors of the number. So example first. Here we want to find the factor of the number 6. So what is meant by the factor? Factors are the number by which the given number is completely divisible. So first point is 1 is a factor of every number. So here we will write 1 is a factor of every number, as well as the number itself is a factor of every number. So factor of the 6 is also the factor of itself. Now the other than them, which are the factors? So by the 2 also we can divide to the 6 completely. So factor will come 2, next number will come 3 and next will come 6. So why we return them directly? Because these are only the numbers which divides the given number 6 completely. Here we not mention 4, 5. Why? Because they are not dividing to the 6 completely. So one rule is related to factor is factor should divide completely to the given number. And the last factor will come the number itself. Such a way we find out factor for the 6. The example is find the factor of 15. So same way as we discussed in previous topic, we have to use the method. So 1 is a factor of every given number. Now we will try for the next numbers. Are they divisible? Are they completely divisible to the 15? Then we will write, if yes, then we will write as a factor. So 2 is not divisible, 3 is completely divisible to 15. After 3, 5, 6 will not come, 7 will also not come, 8, 9, 10. So such a way we will check for every number. But if we know the table, we can easily identify which numbers are the factor of the given number. So the last factor will come 15. So such a way the factors of the 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next, prime number. What is a prime number? The number which has only 2 factors, such a numbers are called as a prime number. It means the number is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Such a numbers are known as a prime number. So let's see some examples of the prime number. Try to find the factor of the 7. So it will come 1 and 7. So as we observe, there are only 2 factors for the 7. So 7 is called as a prime number. Now 9. Let's find the factor for this number. 1, 3 and 9. So as you observe, there are 3 factors for the given number. So this 9 is not called as a prime number because it has more than 2 factors. So such a numbers are called as a composite number. The number which has more than 2 factors are known as a composite number. This is the difference between prime number and the composite number. The example based on the prime number. So question is that find the prime numbers between 1 to 20. So to find it, we should know the number from 1 to 20. So as we written here 1 to 20 number. Now let's find the prime number. Note that 1 is not a prime number. So we will start with the next number and we will check for every number is it divisible by itself and 1 only. Then we will make the circle there. So concentrate here and try to find the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So why we circle some number only? Because these are the numbers which are not divisible by the other number, and the remaining numbers are divisible by the others number. Means they have the more than 2 factor, but the numbers which are in the circle, they do not have the factor more than the 2. So they are called as a prime number. So such a way, for the exercise, they have some question to find the numbers, prime numbers between 1 to 100. So we can find very easily prime numbers. Next topic is prime factor. Prime factor is also denoted by P dot F. What is meant by prime factor and how to find the prime factor? For this, we need to know how to find the factor for the given number. After finding the factor, we have to select the prime numbers from the factor, and that will be the factors are known as the prime factor of the answer. Find the prime factor for number 16. So first of all, we will find the simple factor for the 16. So it is denoted by factor of 16. It will come 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now from these factors, we will select the prime numbers. So which are the prime number that we are familiar very well. So 1 is not a prime, 2 is a prime, other than 2, no other factor is a prime. So in the answer, prime factor of 16 equals to 2. Next example is find the prime factors of the 35. So first we will find factors of 35. The factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now from them, which are the prime factor that we will write? So let's check here. 1 is not a prime, 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime number. So our factors will come, prime factors are 5 and 7. Such a way we can find prime factor of any given number. Our next topic is HCF, that is highest common factor. Its name suggests it is a common factor between the two numbers and which is the greatest number. For example, 18 and 24. These are the two given numbers. So HCF of this number will be 6. HCF will be 6 because 6 is the highest number which completely divide to the both the given number. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So such a way we have to find out the HCF. So there are 3 main methods to find out the HCF. So today we will discuss from them one method only. So that is common factor factor method. Let's see common factor method. So there are mainly 3 steps related to this method. First step is find the factor. So step 1, find the factor of the both number. So let's find the factor of 20 and factor of 25. So factor of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now factor of the 25 are 1, 5, 25. So we find out here factor. Now step 2. Write the common factor between both the number. Common means the factor which present in the first number factor list as well as in the second number factor list. So common factor we will write. So just I am doing a circle for our understanding. They are common. That 5 and here also 5 is present. So in the both the list, the common factors are 1 and 5. Step 3, select the HCF from them. As we know very well, HCF means highest and common factor. Common factor means these are the common factor, and from them which is the highest, that will be our HCF. So here 5 is the highest. So HCF equals to 5. Such a way we need to use the 3 steps to find the HCF by using common factor method.